In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove formula in Google Sheets and keep values. Start by opening your spreadsheet and finding the cell that currently has a formula you want to lock in. This technique is perfect when you're ready to freeze a result, share a sheet without exposing formulas, or prevent numbers from changing when the underlying data updates. First, select the cell with the formula. You can also select a range, a whole row, or even an entire column if you need to convert multiple formulas at once. With the cell or range highlighted, right-click to open the context menu, then choose Copy. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Next, right-click on the same selection again to bring up the context menu. Hover over Paste Special to reveal more options, and then click Values Only. This tells Google Sheets to paste just the displayed results and drop the formulas behind them. If you like using shortcuts, Ctrl+Shift+V on Windows or Command+Shift+V on a Mac accomplishes the same values-only paste. You can also find this under the Edit menu at the top. Edit, Paste Special, Paste Values Only. Once you do this, check your work. Click the cell and look at the formula bar at the top. You should see a plain value instead of an equal sign and a formula. The number or text on the grid should look the same as before, because pasting values over the same cells keeps the current formatting in place. What changes is that the value no longer updates if the source data changes. A few helpful tips before you move on. If you realize you still need the original formula, use Undo right away with Ctrl+Z or Command+Z to bring it back. If the formula referenced live or time-based functions like today, now, or rand, converting to values will capture the current result and stop future updates, which is great when you need a timestamp or a stable random sample. When working with larger selections, it's a good idea to verify a few cells to make sure everything converted as expected. That's all there is to it. Copy the formula cell, paste special as values only, and you've successfully removed the formula while keeping the exact result. This simple approach helps you protect your calculations, clean up a final report, or share a sheet without revealing how the numbers were produced.